get your ball.
So as we were pulling up, one of the wheels on the trailer locked up. And yeah, so the breakaway switch somehow went off as we were backing up, locked up one of the wheels, and then I didn't realize until I started smelling smoke, and so there's a massive hole burnt through it, and it melted all the way up pretty far back in the wiring, so I gotta replace a bunch of wire. So yeah, it's just
Okay, so today's events are going to Verizon because my phone is overheating and I wish I could just buy a new battery because my phone is only like 3 years old and I don't feel like that's long enough, but hey, it's all good. And then we gotta go to Home Depot or Lowe's and to AutoZone to get some stuff for the 4-wheel drive problem and for the breakaway switch. So yeah, it'll be fun. You got your snacks and your waters. You're ready to go. And Bella, are you going bye-bye? Yeah.
I already looked to the left. I already saw when you were in the
That wasn't, this is Lake Huron, people. There's a splash pad too. You could run through the splash pad. But we didn't bring any soap, so you can't shower.
I'm running through the splash pad. I'm running through it. I don't care. I'm hot. Me and Bella will run through it.
Everyone is an adult.
Me.
Yeah, they would shut Bella down.
I'm not gonna lean
They
you.
just don't like dogs. We were just driving back and we saw Largo Springs Interpretive Center, and so we figured we would go check it out.
Wooded.
it's not like a bad hike.
It's a little too wooded. It's a little too dark.
I think we're only maybe like 40 minutes away. We'd come back tomorrow during the daytime when we're wearing shoes.
Speak for yourself.
We'll come back tomorrow.
You're not gonna go?
It doesn't say that. So speak for yourself. I'm wearing shoes.
Okay, well then you can go down. Then you can go down now.
It's getting dark. Okay. That's weird.